Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of your conscious mind? Have you ever felt like there's a part of you that knows more than you realize? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the subconscious mind and exploring how we can communicate with this hidden part of ourselves. We'll be drawing inspiration from the groundbreaking work of Dolores Cannon, a renowned hypnotherapist and pioneer in the field of subconscious exploration. Dolores Cannon dedicated her life to understanding the power of the subconscious mind. Through her extensive research and thousands of hypnotherapy sessions, she uncovered profound insights into the nature of our inner world. She believed that the subconscious mind holds the key to unlocking our true potential, healing past traumas, and accessing deep wisdom. In this video, we'll delve into Dolores Cannon's techniques for communicating with the subconscious mind. We'll explore the power of hypnosis and other methods for accessing this hidden realm. First, let's explore the question, what exactly is the subconscious mind? In essence, the subconscious mind is the vast reservoir of thoughts, memories, beliefs, and emotions that lie beneath the surface of our conscious awareness. It's like the hidden operating system of our mind, running in the background and influencing our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in ways we might not even realize. To understand the subconscious mind, it's helpful to think about the different levels of consciousness. We can imagine consciousness as a spectrum, with the conscious mind at one end and the unconscious mind at the other. The conscious mind is the part of us that is aware of our present moment experiences. It's where we think, reason, and make decisions. The unconscious mind, on the other hand, is the deepest level of our mind. It's the storehouse of our instincts, primal drives, and repressed memories. The subconscious mind lies between these two extremes. It's the bridge between the conscious and unconscious mind, and it plays a crucial role in shaping our reality. The subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. It's responsible for storing all of our past experiences, beliefs, and habits. It also filters the information we receive from the outside world, influencing our perceptions and interpretations. This means that our subconscious mind can have a profound impact on our lives. It can shape our self-esteem, our relationships, our career choices, and even our physical health. For example, if you have a subconscious belief that you're not good enough, you might unconsciously sabotage your own success. Or, if you have a subconscious fear of public speaking, you might avoid opportunities to speak in front of others, even if it could benefit your career. The good news is that we can learn to communicate with our subconscious mind and reprogram these limiting beliefs and behaviors. By accessing the power of our subconscious, we can unlock our true potential and create a life that is aligned with our deepest desires. Now that we have a clearer understanding of the subconscious mind, let's explore how we can tap into this hidden realm and communicate with it effectively. Dolores Cannon and countless other practitioners have shown us that there are various pathways to access the subconscious mind. Each technique offers a unique approach to establish a dialogue with this powerful part of ourselves. One of the most well-known methods for accessing the subconscious mind is hypnosis. Hypnosis involves inducing a relaxed, trance-like state where the conscious mind takes a backseat, allowing direct communication with the subconscious. During hypnosis, a skilled practitioner can guide you to explore deep-seated beliefs, uncover hidden memories, and reprogram limiting patterns. Another powerful tool for accessing the subconscious mind is meditation. Through focused attention and deep relaxation, meditation helps quiet the chatter of the conscious mind, creating space for the subconscious to emerge. Regular meditation practice can enhance self-awareness, intuition, and access to inner wisdom. Next is visualization. It is a technique that involves creating mental images and scenarios to communicate with the subconscious mind. By vividly imagining desired outcomes or visualizing yourself overcoming challenges, You can imprint these positive images on your subconscious, influencing your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in alignment with your goals. Then comes affirmations. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that, when repeated regularly, can reprogram the subconscious mind. By consciously choosing affirmations that resonate with your desired reality, you can gradually replace limiting beliefs with empowering one. Next technique is dream work. Dreams offer a direct window into the subconscious mind. By paying attention to the symbols, emotions, and narratives that appear in your dreams, you can gain valuable insights into your subconscious beliefs, fears, and desires. Keeping a dream journal and reflecting on your dreams can enhance your understanding of your inner world. Then we have creative expression technique. Engaging in creative activities such as writing, painting, music, or dance can be a powerful way to access the subconscious mind. By expressing yourself creatively, you allow your subconscious thoughts and emotions to flow freely, often revealing hidden truths and insights. Regardless of the technique you choose, relaxation and trust are crucial elements for successful communication with the subconscious mind. When you're relaxed, your conscious mind is less likely to interfere, allowing the subconscious to emerge more easily. Trusting the process and letting go of any expectations or judgments is also essential for creating a safe and open space for subconscious exploration. Many people, including myself, have had profound experiences communicating with their subconscious mind. Through hypnosis, I've been able to uncover and heal past traumas that were affecting my present life. Meditation has helped me cultivate a deeper sense of inner peace and clarity. And visualization has allowed me to manifest my dreams and goals with greater ease. These personal experiences have reinforced my belief in the power of the subconscious mind and the transformative potential of accessing this hidden realm. Friends, communicating with the subconscious mind offers a plethora of benefits that can positively impact various aspects of our life. By accessing this hidden realm, we can tap into a wellspring of wisdom and healing potential, allowing us to overcome challenges, achieve our goals, and live more fulfilling lives. Many of our emotional wounds and traumas are stored deep within our subconscious mind. These unresolved experiences can continue to influence our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, even if we're not consciously aware of them. Through techniques like hypnosis and meditation, we can access these buried memories and emotions, allowing us to process them in a safe and supportive environment. This process can lead to profound healing and release, freeing us from the grip of past traumas and enabling us to move forward with greater emotional well-being. Our subconscious beliefs and patterns often play a significant role in shaping our relationships. By communicating with our subconscious mind, we can identify and reprogram any limiting beliefs or negative patterns that may be hindering our ability to connect with others on a deeper level. This can lead to improved communication, increased empathy, and stronger, more fulfilling relationships. Our subconscious mind plays a crucial role in our ability to achieve our goals. If our subconscious beliefs are not aligned with our conscious desires, we may unconsciously sabotage our own success. By communicating with our subconscious mind, we can identify and reprogram any limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. We can also use techniques like visualization and affirmations to imprint positive images and beliefs on our subconscious, increasing our motivation, confidence, and resilience in pursuing our goals. While communicating with the subconscious mind can be incredibly beneficial, it's important to approach this process with caution and respect. Delving into deep-seated memories and emotions can sometimes be challenging or even trigger uncomfortable feelings. It's crucial to work with a qualified practitioner or guide if you're exploring techniques like hypnosis or deep meditation. especially if you have a history of trauma or mental health challenges. Additionally, it's essential to maintain a sense of groundedness and discernment throughout the process. As we conclude our exploration of the subconscious mind and its profound impact on our lives, I hope you've gained valuable insights and a deeper appreciation for this hidden realm within us all. The journey of communicating with the subconscious mind is a continuous one, filled with endless possibilities for self-discovery and transformation. Remember, your subconscious mind holds the key to unlocking your true potential, healing past wounds, and creating a life that aligns with your deepest desires. I encourage you to continue exploring the various techniques we've discussed, whether it's through hypnosis, meditation, visualization, or any other method that resonates with you. Embrace the power of your subconscious mind and allow it to guide you on your path towards greater well-being, fulfillment, and success. If you found this video insightful and helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on personal growth, self-discovery, and the fascinating world of the mind. Together, let's continue to explore the depths of our inner world and unlock the limitless potential that lies within us all. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploration. Until next time, keep shining your light and embracing the power of your subconscious mind.